Say good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing? Me, I'm growing. Look, I'm getting my new feathers. You guys can see I'm getting my new feathers everywhere. And I think I'm gonna be a girl. I'll be a good girl. Look at these guys. I'm getting my coloring feathers in my face and in my wings and in my head. Yeah, I'm growing very fine. And now I'm ready to have breakfast. My first meal of the day. And there we go. Okay, you are a little bit too excited this morning. Come on. Good girl. Wow. I'm hungry. Yes, I'm very hungry. Ooh, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy food. Yummy, yummy food. You want more? Yeah. You want another one. You want another meal, right? So you can grow faster. Grow all those beautiful feathers, right? So you can fly and play around. So you can fly and play around, right? And that's gonna be my breakfast and for a few hours. As you guys can see, I'm full now. My belly full. I'm a happy bird. And now I'm gonna go take another nap and I will eat more later. And say bye-bye to everybody. We haven't put your name. We have to give you a name. I have to think about it. See what name we're gonna give you, okay? Say bye. I see you in the next one. GG.